Uh, Namaste. Hello to everyone, distinguished people, on the Zoom platform, and Prachiji and Tejaswini. Well, I get this energy because I'm a teacher. I come from a teaching family. My father was a professor and a doctor in a medical college. My grandfather was a school teacher. My mother was a teacher. My sister is a teacher. My brother is also a teacher. So I come from a teacher family where you interact with young students. When you interact with young students, your heart, your heart will be like a youngster, like a teenager, though your hair shows you are great and you are old. Because I always think in a positive direction in any situation, that gives me energy. Um, if you do not have vision, then you become only a worker. If you have only vision, then you have only vision, then you will never work. You should have vision and working capacity, then you can achieve your dream. I always believe both, not only, but only working, not only vision. You should have the right combination of these two that leads to your success. I tell my, whenever I go to school or whenever the teacher's training program is there, I always tell marks is not the index of life. And when I tell that, when people say, ma'am, you got a first rank, and you tell that to others, I said, we did not have this system in those days. Somebody telling you integrated system is more important or holistic approach is the correct one. I tell, including, I have two granddaughters who are in London. I call them and tell, better in life, rank is not important. What is important is good value system and ability to understand the situation and love for learning, or the great desire for learning, is the real education. The education is not, it is not only one portion, it is like a food, I tell them. When you eat, you have 3-4 course meal or a thali with the different kinds of food that makes rice, chapati, sabji, dessert, sambar or dal or something. You require a balanced full food. So when a balanced food is there on your plate, same way our education system should be there. You should have a deep, you should have love for learning, you should have extracurricular activity, you should be compassionate to people from your childhood. You should not become philanthropist only when your hair is gray in old age. You can learn it in a very young age. Concern for the have-nots, concern for the society. Personal good is not that important. Public good is more important. I am not the only person. It is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Everyone should prosper in life. It has to be taught in a very young age. And I was very fortunate. My grandfather was a Sanskrit teacher, and he taught us in a very young age the good value system, the Indian Vedas to me in a very young age. And I can't teach that to my grandchildren who are in London. Okay. But the basic value system should remain, like help others, be compassionate, study whatever you study because you love to study that one. What I don't like, I should not study with force. You should enjoy studying, and overall you should be a good human being. Whichever country you are, you should contribute to that country.